From strange events to mysterious things caught on camera that sometimes we can't easily explain.
What the fuck is happening? Gotta go.
Right now, you are in for a ride. So sit tight, press that like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be watching some amazing and mysterious videos that will probably leave you baffled. Let's go. Sent to us by a subscriber and taped by Tim R. In this video we can see an anomaly in the clouds. At first I thought this was caused by the sunset, but after analyzing this video a couple of times, I'm not sure. You can see that there is no streak of light towards the cloud, which makes me believe that this may be an independent source of light. But where is it coming from?
¡Mira eso! ¡Estamos viendo allá!
A woman is going viral after sharing a video of a strange, alien-like creature that seems to have thousands of social media users scratching their heads. The animal found by a TikTok user named Stinky Eyes Scrappy is seriously freaking out some commenters, while others are determined to discover its species name. In the TikToker's clip, which now has more than 2.7 million views, she shows the creature from several angles. It seems as though the animal is some sort of reptile, although any information beyond that is anyone's guess. The lizard-like figure, which is clinging onto a rock with its slender, almost human-looking arms, also appears to have a coarse and bumpy body, as well as several long fingers. There are quite a few mysterious videos out there of people who supposedly have superpowers.
He had what I would think would be similar to superhuman strength.
Take this video for instance, where a girl seems to pull a pencil towards her direction. The person next to her accidentally sees it. She then demonstrates the same thing with a phone. There is another CCTV video, for instance, where a man is in an underground parking lot. In this video you can see this man lighting up the car's headlights. If these videos are real or not, I'm not too sure. But taking into consideration Buddhist myths and stories and many other accounts, there are supposedly out there people who can levitate and do much more. Such as Arun Raikwar, a person who was known as the Indian Magnetic Man. There could be somewhat out there people with real superpowers that we have no knowledge of. I believe this is the case of this Japanese man demonstrating what is called geokinesis. In other words, an earthbender. In this video you can see him pulling a huge rock out of the floor. I have no idea how he could have faked this video, so if you do, please do leave a comment. Now you may think that we were the first ones to discover nanotechnology, but that's not true. 1600 years ago, a glass chalice, a cup known as the Lycurgus cup, was created by the Romans with nanoparticles of gold and silver. The particles were grounded down until they were as small as 50 nanometers in diameter, less than 1,000th the size of a grain of table salt. The mixture of the precious metals suggests that the Romans knew exactly what they were doing. The cup can be seen changing its colors. This has puzzled scientists for decades, since it was acquired by a museum in the 1950s. What's most mysterious and unexplained about it all is how did they know about nanotechnology? Could this actually confirm the theory that maybe the ancient civilizations knew much more than we ever thought? It's a fact that humans haven't categorized all the species in this planet. There's still a lot that we don't know of. In Brazil, a family went fishing when they saw this.
Ai, meu Deus! Aí ele faz. Olá, pai! Fala, me desfaça. Gente, agora. Ai, Paizinho do céu, isso é peixe.
I'm not sure what it is. It could be a giant anaconda, or it could be a geological problem in the region.
Vou sair daqui.
Nevertheless, no explanation for what was going on here was ever found. Talk about unexplained. In this next video, 3 friends are playing soccer in Mexico. I guess no one would ever imagine that this would happen next. A unknown figure crosses them into one of the hallways. Being that this is a really small creature, it doesn't look like a cat or a dog or anything else, I totally understand why they completely freaked out. Because of the video quality, it's hard to identify what exactly the creature was, but by their reaction, it's probably something that we've never seen before.
I set out to solve a problem back in 2005 when I founded TRS. Why? Because I'm a car guy who's always demanded the best upgrades for my whip.
In Russia, a group of people were very lucky enough to capture this unexplained phenomena. At first, I thought this could be a sub-sun, a phenomena that is very rare but can actually happen under certain circumstances. 2 of these circumstances are not present in the video that we're watching. One of them is that the sub-sun is observed from above. The other condition is that normally the sub-sun appears directly below the sun. In this video, the sun is probably setting, it's not high above anymore. And the people that are observing this phenomena are actually in front of it, not above it. The video was posted as an apparition of a saint. Although I do believe these things are possible, I'm not exactly sure that this is what's going on here. Leave a comment. What is your take? There are a number of unexplained things caught on camera in the sky. In this next video, a dragon-like creature can be seen lurking the horizon. It's very difficult to say exactly what creature this is, but at a certain moment in the video, you can see the creature flapping its wings. It is huge. This happened in the border between China and India, if I'm not mistaken, and this video was posted a couple of years ago. Have you ever seen a creature that wasn't supposed to be there? Talking about things that aren't supposed to be there. Francisco Hernandez was a patrolman for an airplane in Mexico City a couple of years ago, and he was doing what he was supposed to do. He was checking the airplane to see if there was nothing wrong with it when he heard strange sounds coming from the inside. So he did what he had to do. He checked one of the compartments where the noises were coming from. You can see him doing this with caution. He checks every corner of the area and he sees nothing. There's nothing there. Or so he thinks. When he was backing away from this area, he heard the noise again, and this is what he saw.
Verga.
Pay very much attention to the end of the corridor. This is exactly where he was a couple of minutes ago checking it out.
No mames. ¡Córrele bien!
Ay, no manches, no manches. No.
Posted by Il Mayanero on May 17, 2020, an unexplained and strange phenomena is seen on Mexican skies. Check this out.
¡Es el cielo! No, Barry, es el cielo, mira, es el cielo solo.
Don't waste your time attending another seminar or webinar about how to build an online business, and at the end, the guy is only
The people who are recording it take their time to discuss if this is a storm coming or if it is something else. if this were to be by any chance a normal storm, I don't think that these people would be as baffled as they were, and I've never seen anything like this myself. If you observe, there is a lot of wind, which makes me think, yes, there might be a storm coming. But what about these strange blinking lights in the sky? What's doing that? I hear absolutely no thunder at all, and not only that, check this moment in the video where the light actually stays on. It's probably something else.
Whatever that is, it's so high, dude.
Right here. Look, there's another one.
Way too fast, bro.
Whoa! Whoa!
Now this is not the only unexplained phenomena that was recorded on camera this year. YouTuber Logan Paul with his crew caught this very strange object in the sky, and it is as if it knew they were pointing at it. At first I thought this video was fake until I saw this one posted by Junior Flores El Barito on Facebook. Check this out.
Sí, todos dicen eso. ¿Qué es eso? Están brillando, oye.
No sé qué es eso. Mira. Llámale a tu papá, llámale a tu papá.
It's as if there is some sort of party going on up there and we're not invited. For example, check this video coming in from Ana Sofia Valencia on Facebook. This happened in Spain.
Uy, no, niño. Uy, no. Uy, ¿sabe cómo hizo? Ay, no, niño, se lo juro, papi, eso es real, güey.
As you can see in this video, the light seems to be coming from above the clouds, meaning this is not some sort of light source on Earth that is reflecting above. Whatever is going on here, it's pretty much unexplained.
No, se nos metieron ya. ¿Qué es eso? Un edificio no puede haber acá.
And if you've ever seen anything like this before, please do share it with us under the comment section. Whatever is going there up in the clouds, we could say it's some sort of glitch in the Matrix, maybe? I'm not too sure.
It's 10:15 at night in Maple Grove, Minnesota. I think these are noctilucent clouds. I've never seen them before. Look how bright they are, it's amazing. This is on the northern horizon. Incredible. Look at that.
Bueno.
Talking about glitches in the Matrix, Raul Arguello, 32 years old, captured a very strange anomaly investigating Thomas Adolfo Duco Stadium in Buenos Aires, Argentina. This happened a couple of years ago when he was doing his normal checkup on the place.
Esto nunca me pasó.
He's saying this has never happened to him before. And as you can see, he's pretty much frightened by it because there's supposed to be no one in the stadium at this time of night.
Concha de la lora. La concha de la lora.
On a very brave move, he goes in the room to see nothing. There is nothing there. And he mentions that this is the third time this day that this happens and there is no one there.
No hay nada.
However, if we roll back a couple of seconds from this moment, we can see a black shadow crossing him. He didn't even see this happening, but the camera captured it. How creepy is this?
Like, for real? What? In the what the
Now, I'm a really big fan of music and radio stations. I really enjoy spending my time trying to find different topics and music out there. But in this case, a subscriber sent us a very strange video of a bizarre noise that was being emitted by a radio station, and she was able to capture this in different times of day, different radio stations, and different radio device, which makes this all very, very creepy.
like, for real? What? In the what the are you kidding me? What the hell? That is not right.
And this one is at nighttime in another room. It could be some sort of interference or something else. Has anything alike ever happened to you?
Vous avez vu un truc encore bouger?
Now, I'm not only a big fan of music and radio stations, I'm also a very big fan of nature and going outside. In this video, a group of friends is having a really good time in the woods in France, until they spot something really strange behind one of the trees.
Oh, non? Il y a un... Oh, c'est deux fils de gueule. Pour éclairer.
Now, I'm not too sure if this group of people actually saw this bizarre looking creature. One of the boys approaches the trees, and this is when you can actually see that there's something there. The video ends too soon, and there's not a way for us to know what happened next. My guess is that they actually saw whatever was there and started running. Now, I'm also a fan of sports. In a video titled Eddie Guerrero Hall of Fame Induction Part 2, you can supposedly see Rey Mysterio shape-shifting. Now, I'm pretty sure this is because of the camera quality that is very bad and because the pixels are distorted. Nevertheless, this is a very intriguing video. What do you think? Well, this is it for now, folks. We do have more videos, although, if you want to continue watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel with notifications on. If you'd like, you can join the channel